Welcome back, YouTube viewers, to another episode of Scale Model Car Chief. I'm Steven. If you like my content, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing. In this episode, we're going to be doing the final reveal of the 1932 Ford EV Street Rod. This was a really fun kit to build. I enjoyed it. It kind of evolved after I was looking through the kit and I guess trying to make a plan on how I wanted to go. I knew when I purchased this kit that I wanted to go with this color scheme. I saw some pictures online of a dark gray 32 Ford Roadster and I just thought it looked really cool. And, so my color choices were pretty much set. I made some changes, not exactly the way the vehicle and the pictures that I saw were, but I'm pleased with the way it turned out as far as the color choices went. Well, actually, I'm pleased with the way the whole model turned out. My models aren't perfect, and I know that, compared to some of the other really talented YouTube model channels that I watch and subscribe to. The paint jobs are just so amazing, and I'm still not quite there, but hey, I'll get there. It's not a job, it's a hobby, and I just enjoy the peace and tranquility of building a model. But let's go ahead and enough of that, and we'll get back to the model itself. As I looked through the kit, I was like, well, what can I do that would be different? And, I've never even driven an electric vehicle other than a golf cart. And to me, I'm a gearhead. I have two classic cars, in my garage out back. And I just love classics. And 32 Ford is a classic. And I was like, how could we build on that? So I was like, hey, wouldn't it be cool if it was a street rod? That was an EV. Well, as far as that goes, we'll take a look at how I've made my power plant. I use a piece of a concrete anchor bolt, a sonic drive-in straw, some fuses, and some Cat 6 wiring. Just wanted to come up with something that would look like really different. And if it was a street rod, it would have to be like, hey, wow, that looks pretty powerful. I don't know if it looks powerful, but it does look way different than having a Ford or a Chevrolet V8 sitting under the hood. So talking about under the hood, I wasn't really sure how to do this, so I moved I made the whole upper section, the body tub, one piece. Hood, grill, or radiator grill assembly, and then the body on the itself. Here's a look underneath where I had the wires come out and go up into the body of the car. I love the stance and how all this turned out. I'm just pleased with the overall build, and I was excited to do something different with my build. Usually I'm box stock, straight out of the box on my builds. So this was refreshing, change of pace. And I also wanted to change up my scenery in the background some, just kind of keep everything, fresh and, interesting on my channel. But we'll go ahead and look at these final pictures, and I want to thank you for tuning in. This is Steven, the Scale Model Car Chief. Please consider subscribing and liking and sharing my content. Have a safe and blessed day. We'll see you on the next build.